Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you the most famous book named Atomic Habits by James Clear. So if you are looking to make a positive changes in your life, then Atomic Habits by James Clear is a book that you simply cannot afford to miss. This book is a practical guide that will teach you how to build good habits and eliminate bad ones, helping you to achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. In Atomic Habits, James Clear explains how small incremental changes can have a profound impact on our lives. He provides practical advice on how to make good habits stick and eliminate bad ones by focusing on the process of habit formation. The book is divided into four parts, each of which contain valuable insights and actionable strategies, from making habits obvious to making them attractive, from creating an environment that supports positive change to making good habits inevitable. GenCreate offers a step-by-step guide to help you build a habit that will lead to long-term success. Even if you don't have time to read the entire book, this video will provide you with all the important details and insights you need to get started. So if you are ready to take control of your life and build the habits that will help you achieve your goal, then watch this video and learn how to create the habits that will change your life for better.